This is the biggest year for women's surfing that we've ever had. Equal pay for the women. And it is a big opportunity. Whoever wins this contest is going to get themselves the biggest prize purse we've ever seen for the victor of a championship tour event.
Here we go.
So Fitzgibbons. This is a replay of a wave during the break.
Yeah, a bit of a smaller wave. Just a quick in and out. Feeling the wax.
That she had in competition in Fiji. Still managed to go on and get the job done and was victorious. But at the end of last season was one of the best surfers in the draw at Maui and actually did some real damage to her shoulder. And has been recovering through the off-season. Courtney, we know that she's had her struggles as well. Bad foot injury, ankle injury in 2014 and a hairline fracture in her foot in 2018. So, you know, they've been forced to the sidelines before. We'll see how they're feeling in this first event. Feels like Sally's in a comfortable place in her career now. I know she took her losses pretty hard back in the day, but she's been looking to reinvigorate herself coming into this new season as well. Started working with Glenn Hall, so a new coach and a new approach. Attacking that end section there.
Any change Sal's made in, say, the last 24 months has been a very positive one.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy to be in here and have the opportunity to be here, and also taking notes mentally for like 40 minutes, so it's pretty crazy to be at the top. But just to see what's not been tapped in women's surfing is pretty cool, to see what I can bring when I'm hopefully here one day. Yeah.
And what I've loved is the support that all you Australians have at the moment, especially with the Olympics coming around the corner. I think you guys have a great support system. How are they fostering your talent as, you know, you look at getting onto the championship tour and hopefully qualifying for the Olympics one day?
Kira's really good. It's I love the style of wave that you just take off and you just got to hold on. You know, it's like a bucking bronco. You know, you just got to hold on and you just hope that you come out the end of it. When Kira's like that and you get locked into one of those, you're just a passenger about Batty down that wave for sure. Sad to see.
All right, out in the lineup, Courtney Conlogue loading up. Good section here, does well to fit the turn in without catching the nose rail and going down. So she's fighting hard. Sally Fitzgibbons has the lead.
Courtney squaring the lip up. That was awesome. Just really giving it a good old belt. And here's Sal. We haven't seen this from Sal in competition too much, but loads up, hits the lip perfectly, comes around, opens up the shoulders to get the spin, lands and just gets a bit over the nose of the board. But if she was a bit further down the face of the wave, then it would have been a completion. Absolutely. He's hung in and persevered and still got that closeout re-entry done, where Lakey looks like she's sitting on the outside looking for big open face right now, and I'm just not sure it's available.
Courtney Conlogue hammers the oncoming section, just the one turn though. And she's after a 5.7. Probably not going to be the number she needs to get the lead. It's featured in the top 10 before. So it was a heat that Lakey couldn't take lightly. She's found herself on the wrong side of rhythm out there, even though she's shown great form in the lead up to this event. She's in danger of falling out of the mix here.
She is. She's got a minute left. She's got priority.
Didn't shock me, but kind of did surprise me a little bit was the Lakey Peterson, Sage Eriksson. I thought Lakey was going to maybe come away with that, but Sage in great form.
A lot of California superstars like this one.
Oh,
what a quick transition for Conlogue to knife that end section. It's fun to watch how surfers react to a whitewater at the end of a wave. It's just incredible to see how much work they put in behind the scenes.
Yeah, let's have a look. I think Courtney may be a little bit more powerful, though. Don't put it past Sage. Sally up and riding.
Sally through some foam on the inside, but hitting it hard. Every turn choice looks perfect for Fitzgibbons.
So that last ride for Courtney, Joe, at 4.37. I thought that might have gone a little higher. I thought those two maneuvers were super solid, and always the glass half full than Sally Fitzgibbons. I mean, she is just, you know, someone that you can learn so much from.
As we'll roll in now with a left-hand opportunity. Sally Fitzgibbons taking on Courtney Conlogue. Comes Sally, carve into the pocket. Fun little inside corner. Starting to clean up a bit.
That rhythm that she gets going. Sally, as you said, Joe, looks like the conditions are cleaning up. Sally producing some very smooth, clean surfing. That board looks beautiful under her feet, looks alive and fresh.
Bronte McCauley waiting for her last to come through. Looking to better a 3.5. Conlogue looking for a connection on this wave. A lot of foam on the face. And through all the turbulence, still jams the layback hack to finish. Even when she hits the lip, Potts, it looks like she's in the weight room, just powering.
Oxygen in the water, very difficult to set those fins. You can see that board bouncing around. But Courtney's so strong and powerful, just driving through that big layback snap off the whitewater. She's going to need a big score, Joe, because Sally has just improved her requirement. But let's have a look here as Courtney attacks the whitewater, lays back into it. A critical maneuver there, just that core strength to get back up onto her feet.
As here comes Sally, attacking that big section, standing tall after one big hammer out the back. Surfing with a lot of confidence against someone who's had her number, just one more heat win than Sally. 4-3 all time with Courtney versus Sally Fitzgibbons in one-on-one heats.
I like it. It's a tight heat. 7.03 required by Courtney, and that's not much. A couple of big snaps for Courtney, and she's right back in the mix.
The tough part is for Courtney Conlogue is she has just run out of time. A big clash going in favor of Sally Fitzgibbons as now things are tying up for a piece in their history.